Hey, good morning, everybody. The intent of this video is to give you a little targeted instruction on how to complete the GRASP assessment planner about the New Deal. So I'm going to walk you through that here in the next couple of minutes. So the intent of the GRASP acronym is a type of project in which you have a goal, you take on a role, playing pretend. You have an audience, a situation, and then you eventually make something that addresses your audience and is targeted towards the situation. So in this situation, you are a program manager that's going to present your ideas to the president, who is during the Great Depression was Franklin Delano Roosevelt, also known by just FDR. And you're going to create a New Deal program. We saw a few examples in assignment 14, which was our Pear Deck, such as the Civilian Conservation Corps, offering young men jobs to go out and work in our parks. There are some others mentioned in there as well. So you need to create a program that's going to, it has to be a targeted program. It can't just be a program that's like, we're going to give people free money. Because if you give out too much free money, it may encourage laziness, as some people fear, or the money just may not be worth anything. Or if you take so much money from someone else through taxes or whatever it may be, um, eventually you run everybody into a situation where they're poor. So it has to be a targeted program. So there's some questions here just to think about. You need to express. You need to address a specific problem. Is that unemployment? Are we helping those who've lost businesses? Are we helping people recover money that they lost through bank closures or in the stock market? Are we helping build homes for people who have lost them and are now migrant? What are we doing? Who are we helping? Kind of similar, same question here. What's the program going to do? Is it going to give people jobs? Is it going to have them do something and get something in return? Um, So these questions will kind of help you brainstorm some ideas. You're welcome to use assignment 14. Those examples, and we'll talk about it as a class as well over the next couple of days. And then we have a series of steps on the planner to help you brainstorm what you might want to do. So this one is just review. So what caused the Great Depression? I'd recommend you look at your Mr. Connors article from before holiday break. Some of the different things that cause economic struggles, and what were some of the effects and impacts that it had. Think about Mr. Connor's family. Think about what you saw in the Pear Deck slides, because this might give you an idea of, well, I see that an effect of the Great Depression was this, and this is what I'm going to address, and you can kind of build off of this list. From there are two parts to the planner. Yes, two parts. Um, just a series of questions to help you map out your ideas and hit all of the requirements of the assignment above. So you have these questions here. So I'm not going to read all of them to you, but you read them over and you give your answer. And obviously, if you need me to rephrase a question um, or you need clarity on a question, all you need to do is reach out to me and I can give you help on that. So hopefully that gives you a little guidance on this. Um, but of course, as always, we will do this in class over a couple of days. So I will be here to support as needed. So good luck, everybody.